In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Odoo. Changing your font is a quick way to give your website a more professional look and make it match your brand. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through every click so you can follow along easily in your own Odoo account. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo dashboard and that you have access to the website app. Once you're in Odoo, look for the website option in the main menu. Go ahead and click on Website. This will open your website management area where you can see and edit the pages visitors will actually view. When your website page loads, you should see a preview of your site. At the top right of the screen, look for the Edit button. Click on Edit to enter the website editor. This switches Odoo into editing mode, which allows you to change the layout, content, and of course, the fonts. After you click Edit, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. In that panel, find and click on the Theme option. The Theme section is where you control the overall look and feel of your site, including colors, button styles, and typography. Since we're focusing on fonts, we'll stay within this area. Inside the theme settings, you'll see options to customize your fonts. Here, you can change different font types, such as headings, body text, and possibly other text elements depending on your theme. Take a moment to scroll through the available font families and choose one that fits your brand style. As you select a font, you'll usually see a live preview right on your website, so you can instantly judge whether it's readable and visually appealing. You may also have the option to adjust font sizes or weights. If those options are available, use them to make sure your headings stand out enough, and your body text is easy to read on both desktop and mobile screens. A good tip is to keep things simple and consistent. Avoid using too many different fonts, and always prioritize legibility. Once you're happy with the way your fonts look, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top right of the editor, and click on Save.